Today I'm working on an iPhone 13 that came in for a screen replacement. The front glass is cracked and the OLED panel is damaged. Before starting any repair, I tried to power the device completely off to prevent short circuits or logic board damage. But as the touchscreen is not responding at all, I will have to disconnect the battery after I lift off the screen to prevent short circuits or logic board damage. The iPhone 13 opens from the front, so I remove the pentalobe screws and carefully separate the display using controlled heat and suction. Once the display is lifted, the first step is disconnecting the battery to isolate power. As soon as I opened the device, I was honestly surprised by the condition of the battery. The battery was visibly swollen, pushing slightly against the internal components. This level of swelling isn't always obvious from the outside, but internally it can cause serious damage over time. Battery swelling usually happens due to aging cells, overheating, or internal chemical breakdown. A swollen battery is a safety risk. It can damage flex cables, affect display performance, or in extreme cases become hazardous. Because of this, replacing the battery was necessary, not optional. After explaining the situation, I proceeded with the battery replacement, applying slow and even pressure to avoid bending or puncturing the cell. With the battery removed, I carefully removed the battery adhesive. I transferred the original components, including the earpiece speaker and Face ID assembly, to the new display. Precision here is critical, as improper alignment can affect Face ID functionality. I reconnected the display and the proximity sensor. Next, I installed the new battery, ensuring proper placement, clean connections, and secure adhesive bonding. I closed the device and aligned the display evenly, and secured it using the original screws. What started as a simple screen replacement turned into a critical battery repair as well. The result is an iPhone 13 that's fully functional, safe to use, and restored to proper working condition. Thanks for watching. Follow for more detailed phone, tablet, and laptop repair content,